Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report.
Jamaica Premier League champions, the Cavalier FC, will look to inch closer to a semi-final spot in the 2024 CONCACAF Caribbean Cup when they host the Real Hope of Haiti at the National Stadium this evening at 7. Cavalier, who lead Group A, will be aiming for a third consecutive victory. Shaquille Steen leads the team with 3 goals in the current campaign. Interestingly, Cavalier's technical director, Rudolph Speed, says his team will be impacted by the new ISA rule.
Yeah, I mean, we are prepared as best as we can. I mean, you know, the ISA rules start to affect us because now some of our players won't be able to play because they're going back to... We allow them to go back and play school. We're not going to be in a fight with anybody, so we're a little bit short-staffed, but otherwise from that, we're ready and we're ready to go.
Meanwhile, Speed says, although eyeing a semi-final spot, they'll not be getting carried away.
It mathematically put me there, but not quite, because 2 other teams could still end up on that amount of points. So the truth is, it's not over until the last match is played in the round. This is the round of death, and we're treating it as such.
Third place, the Real Hope, are coming off a 1-1 draw against Police FC of Trinidad. 2 other Jamaican teams, second placed Mount Pleasant and last placed Arnett Gardens, are also in the group. Arnett Gardens will play away to Police FC on Thursday. Waterhouse got their Jamaica Premier League season off to a winning start after clipping newly promoted team Racing United 1-0 on Monday night at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Striker Atafroy Bygrave's 52nd minute strike proved enough on the night to help Waterhouse secure all 3 points. Meanwhile, in the opening game of the doubleheader at the venue, newly promoted Champleton Maroons stunned former champions Harbourview 2-1. Reggae boy Leon Bailey is expected to make his return from injury this afternoon for English Premier League team Aston Villa in their Champions League clash against the Young Boys of Switzerland. The Villains are in Europe's Premier competition for the first time since the 1982-83 season and need all hands on deck to give a decent account of themselves in the tournament. The Jamaican winger has been sidelined with a hamstring injury for over 2 weeks, but is in Villa's squad for the match. He travelled with his teammates to Switzerland. Bailey suffered the injury during Villa's 2-1 victory over Leicester City last month in the English Premier League. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.